How to fix code execution cannot proceed because Edge GDI DLL was not found on Windows 10 or 11. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open the Run dialog box. Press Win plus R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. After that, you need to simply type in %win_dir% and then you have to press enter on your keyboards. Now you have to expand this window and locate SYS Wow 64 folder. You can even use the search bar at top right corner of the screen. So here it is. Once done, you need to double click to open the folder. Once it opens, you have to copy and rename edge.dll file. For that, inside SYS Wow 64 folder, you have to scroll down to file or find any file with edge.dll extensions. Simply you have to right click on this file. Then you have to click on more options and click on copy bottom. And after that, you need to simply paste it back into the same directory. Windows will ask for confirmation and you have to click continue to proceed. After that, you need to right click on the copied file and select rename. Rename the file to edgegdi.dll and click on an empty space to save the new name. If prompted, confirm the actions by clicking to save the changes. Now verify and simply restart your computer or Windows, and that's it. You will successfully fix the edgegdi.dll not found error. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.